Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini on Android. So, to use Google Gemini on Android, start by installing the Gemini application from Google Play Store. So, navigate to Google Play Store, click on search icon, search for Google Gemini, then install the Google Gemini application. Now, open the application and you will see an interface that will look something like this. You can also access it via the web browser. Now, after opening the Gemini application on your Android device, you will see suggestions for tasks like creating social media posts or generating images. If you don't see these suggestions, no worries. You can use the search box to enter text prompts, voice commands, or even images via the camera to generate AI-powered responses or creative content. For example, I will simply place my cursor in the Ask Gemini section and type in, "Can you tell me a joke?" and I'll hit enter. So, Google Gemini has just given me a response. Now, you can click on this small voice icon and search for anything through voice. So I'll click on this small mic icon. "Hi Gemini, can you create an image of a jaguar sitting on a car?" So I just asked Gemini, "Can you create an image of a jaguar sitting on a car?" And Gemini is currently creating that image.
Here is an image of a jaguar sitting on a car.
As you can see, Gemini just created this image only with a voice prompt. If you like this image, click on this like icon and you can give feedback or rating to this image that you generated. You can download this image by clicking on it and clicking on the download icon at the top right. Now, you can click on the camera icon and use your camera to search for anything. For example, I will open my camera and take this picture. I'll click on attach and I will type in a text prompt asking Gemini, "What is this?" Hit enter and Gemini will tell you what is this. Now we'll explore the settings for Gemini. Click on the profile icon at the top right and you can try Gemini Advanced by clicking on this button, upgrading to Gemini Advanced by completing the payment and upgrading to the subscription. You can also click on the extensions icon and Gemini extension will help you bring everything together. So you can use the extension by clicking on that button and enabling Gemini extension for all the applications you want. Now we'll go back, click on this profile icon again, click on settings, click on Gemini voice and you'll be able to change the Gemini voice pretty easily.
I'm ready to.
You can also select languages by clicking on this button, searching for your language, choosing it, and that language will be set as your default language for Gemini. Now, you can choose the screen context, Gemini on lock screen, Google Assistant features in Gemini, and digital assistance from Google just from this Gemini settings page. Now, you have this small icon at the right side of this text prompt. We'll click on this.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live where you can.
As you can see, when you tap on the live button, it turns on the mic. To turn off the mic, you can tap the hold or end buttons or just say stop. Some features like extensions are not available in this. Also, chats are saved in the Gemini application activity and proceed per the Gemini app's privacy notice. Now, you can click on OK. "Hi, what's your name?" "Okay, can you tell me where is Las Vegas?"
Las Vegas is a city in the southern part of Nevada, USA. It's known for its bright lights, casinos, and overall fun atmosphere.
"Okay, can you suggest me a good game?"
Okay, to narrow it down, do you want something action-packed, a little more relaxing, or maybe a fun multiplayer game to play with friends?
"What do you think about Fortnite?"
Fortnite's a pretty popular game, especially with the younger crowd. It's one of those battle royale games where you drop onto an island and fight to be the last one standing.
Now, when you click on the hold icon, Gemini will be on hold. To turn the mic back on, you'll have to just click on the continue. To end the conversation, you can click on end. And that's how you can use the live chat feature on Gemini, which is pretty cool. So you can set your Gemini as your default assistant to replace Google Assistant. This allows you to activate it using voice commands or gestures similar to how Google Assistant works. You can enter prompts for essays, quotes, or images, and the app supports generating varied contents by interpreting detailed and specific instructions. Also, Gemini has some limitations. Some features from Google Assistant, such as reminders or routines, aren't available in Gemini yet, but you can switch back to Assistant if needed. So that's it for our guide on how to use Google Gemini on Android. With its smart features and easy to use interface, staying connected to AI and finding things and having interesting conversation with AI has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.